What's up everybody, and welcome to a new tutorial video of how to make a summered onion. First, you got to be an ex-Soviet, especially when you're from Russia, Latvia, Ukraine, or Kazakhstan, or whatever the rest of the countries you are from. Stand in front of this thing. I don't know what it's called. And step 2, take out the onion, or pick an onion you want to. Step 5, let this onion stay here. Alright, step 6, get this things which eyes. I don't know what to describe it. Let this thing stay here. Step 8, get a paper, and get those 3 paintings. I don't know, I'm not English. The recommended colors are yellow, red, and black. I don't know, I can't find the black paint, so I picked a gray one. Following line. If your Dragon's logo looks like this, then it might be suitable. Now for the next step, you gotta draw a red star around this logo. Now you better not fail at this time, or you have to retake everything. Oops. What is this shit? Oh no, it looks like a fucking goddamn it. I can't help it, but don't be like me, who tries a stupid story like this. Okay, so anyway, now you have got to color the entire story without this logo, so you have to keep this common sign still there. Once the drawing looks like this, then you may be ready to cut it off. Now you gonna need a scissor, because without scissor, you can't do anything else except just walk around like me, like an idiot, and do absolutely nothing. That's why this scissor is here. Now cut it carefully. Cut like this, then you are ready to have this ice glued on the onion. You take out the scissor and place it back here. Now you have to collect all the trash and bring them all here to... Oh, damn it, what do I want to say? Good example of how you bring out the trash here. Thing you need to shit. 2 of this eyes, and if this looks like this, then you gotta take out this thing here from this thing here, and then you put it on the onion, and now it has eyes. The only thing it needs also what should I say? It needs the Soviet hat. So we gotta do one better, so it really looks like... God damn it, I accidentally put the paper on the trash can. Or trash... I forget it. When you accidentally draw one. Now you gotta draw a fat triangle that can fit through here. So no, it fit. Oh, forget it anyways. I gotta color the entire triangle in black. If you used gray, then you can just throw so much on it that it looks like black. Triangle looks like this, then congratulations! Now you can glue this star on here. But first, we have to get the goddammit scissor back, because I accidentally dropped the paper away. Which cannot do anyway. Once the triangle looks like this, then you gotta wrap around it and need a glue, so you pretty gonna get one and do it. Now we got one, you gotta glue this thing from here, glue this and stick it here. Great, now stick it to here. Sorry if it looks small, but it doesn't mean anything. Now you have to glue this star right into, and do you have it, folks? Soviet onion.